Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to talk to you guys about a piece that I had purchased. This is a bracelet that I purchased from the dollar store. Um, it's my local dollar store here, and I just cannot believe it. When I saw it, I thought it was the most beautiful thing I had seen in a long time. And it was just $1. And it looks like it was made from like really thin particle board. It's very sturdy, and it's nice and it's fashionable. And I wanted to try and see if I can recreate this, but obviously I wanted to be a little bit more cost conscious because I don't have any type of skills with tools or any way of cutting out pre-cut pieces or sizes like this. And so I decided to go another route, and so I decided to look into cork board. Now, I already use cork board, and these are cork board coasters. And I use these for my coasters whenever I'm doing my resin coaster. Sometimes I put these on the bottom of it. And I decided, what if I use my cork board to recreate this bracelet? Then I had to figure out how to cut out the shapes. And so the next best thing I went to was my hole punchers. I have 3 different size hole punchers. I'm going to use the large one and the medium. I'm not going to use the small one. And I decided, what if instead of these being sort of egg shaped, I made it, round. I made it my version. So all I'm going to do is put this inside, and there you go. This is the start of my bracelet. Now, like I said, it's not going to be, this is sort of like an egg shape, oval shape. Mine is going to be a little bit round. I think I'm just going to stick with 4 to create my bracelet. And then this piece is messed up. And then these 2 pieces, this will be the bracelet. And then I'm going to use these for the earrings. So I am going to begin this video. Okay, guys, welcome back. So this is the side that I've cured. This was the sticky side. And as you can see, it's already set up. And I'm going to do the same for the cork board side. You want to seal both sides, because if I were to, let's say, just use this side is porous, and you may sweat. You don't want any water or anything to get in here and ruin the entire piece, so you want to seal everything. And then looking at this, I was like, oh man, these look sort of like water droplets when you look down on them. Oh, they look like water droplets. They're gorgeous. So I am going to do the exact same thing to the other side that I did to the sticky side. So I'm going to do. While I'm speeding up this video, I am noticing that I overpoured my resin. I added a little too much to my disc, and so all I'm doing is just wiping it off. You just want to add a little bit of resin at a time, which I did for the rest of them. But for those first couple of ones, I added too much resin. But you just want to make sure that you're not overpouring, because you don't want anything to stick to the bottom or affect the way the bottom looks. So all I'm going to do is just continue adding the resin, and then I'm going to wipe off the bottoms of the other ones where resin may have gotten under the bottom. Okay, my little dots have already set up, as you can see, both sides. I like the look of this side. It looks like water drops. And this is another one. And what I've done is some of them I've already gone through and did some pre-drilled holes. I just marked them on the back sides. Can't really see them. These 2 I've already done. And this one, all I'm going to do is use my hand drill to make pre-drilled holes, so that way I can use have my jump rings go through. And then let me mark this one. So I'll just finish marking these. Actually, I'm going to make earrings out of these. So, do I want to mark them? You know what? Might as well. Okay. So now that I've already made my holes, I'm just sitting out my jump rings. And these are larger size jump rings. You want to use some larger ones, obviously, because the pieces are bigger. And all I'm doing is just sort of prying it open. And I'm going to just kind of thread it through my buttons that I'm going to use to make my bracelet. That's all I'm going to do right now is just kind of thread it through. And I'm going to just attach both ends. And the key is making sure that the jump ring is closed so that, you know, the bracelet obviously doesn't fall apart. And I'll seal the open end probably with a little glue or maybe some resin just to make sure that it is completely closed. And as you can see, it fell out, so I don't want that to happen. Obviously, you don't want your bracelet to fall apart. And so all I'm going to do is use my pliers just to kind of mend them back together. And later on, like I said, I'll add some glue to it or maybe a little bit of resin to kind of seal the gap to make sure that it doesn't pop open again. But for now, it's looking great. I like how it's turning out. What do you guys think? Hopefully you are thumbing up this video. I hope you're thumbing up this video. And please leave a comment. I love your comments whenever I do these videos. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel, make sure you're subscribed to RoseJayCreates. So right now, RoseJayCreates is creating a bracelet made from cork board. I'm just going to do the exact same thing that I just did with the other pieces. I'm just going to connect them piece by piece by piece until my bracelet is done. And I may speed up this video a little bit so you guys don't have to sit there and watch every little jump ring go through every little hole. So I may speed up the video a little bit. Okay guys, I've added my jump rings. Now I am just going to cut off a piece of my chain to finish attaching it to my bracelet. Now, this chain that I'm using in the video, I actually ordered a different set of chains with wider links. So it will be easier for me to close and it won't require somebody helping me put my bracelet on because that's the goal. You want to be able to be self-sufficient when you're putting your jewelry on and not always need help. So this link that I'm using right now, just for the video, this isn't the actual link. I wound up switching it out because the link I wanted it to be a little bit more wider. But the video still turned out great. The bracelet still is a beautiful bracelet. But the display picture that I may show, it may have a different chain on it. So I hope you guys are really liking this video, guys. Please thumbs up the video and let me know what you think about cork board being turned into jewelry. And all I'm going to do is just attach my chain to the rest of the jump ring, and then I'm going to attach my lobster claws and my fish hooks to the, and these are going to be for my earrings. I'm getting everything out, the lobster claws to attach to my bracelet, and then I got my fish hooks out for my earrings. And I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you guys liked it as much as I enjoyed making it. I know I say this about all my videos, but I really do. I cannot believe this started off as cork board and now I'm turning it into a bracelet. And this is something you guys really have to try. It's a really easy video. And I am just attaching it. My fingers are just so fat. And there you go. That's my bracelet. I've already started on one of my earrings. I'm going to start on the next one. I'm just going to bend my jump ring just so it can fit through my pre-made hole that I pre-drilled hole. I'm just going to kind of force it through. There we go. And then I have a smaller jump ring. I see it right there. Yep. I'm going to put my lobster clasp on. Try to get it to close. I think I did it backwards. As you can see, this goes in the ear part, so it'll be backwards. So I need to fix that and turn it around. I do that sometimes. Just have to clean up my mistake and go back. That's how I got it. And so that is top coat of resin. I'm going to cheat and just do a top coat of gel polish. And this will still do the same thing.